All right, second time for the day, last time for the week. We got the pound versus the US dollar. This is our in the top of our watch list. Basically, the top favorite pending trading opportunity. That pound versus the US dollar. We got 3 active positions in place right now. We got the dollar Japanese yen in a long position, dollar versus the Canadian in a short position. We also have the euro Japanese yen in a long position. So 3 positions altogether, right? We're looking to hit the 4th one. Pound dollar seems to be the closest as far as our system, as far as our setup goes. It's the closest one to get triggered. Now here's the trigger, guys. It's 39.49 right there. Now it's been tagged just a couple of days ago, right? So price action was already there, trying to figure out how tough that level was. It seems to be pretty tough. It did, reject the price action a couple of days ago. It even rejected price action 5 days ago when it was approaching. From the daily perspective, it did break through. It did close slightly above that level. You can see the close right there, 39.54. But when you switch to the weekly chart, there was no such breakout, right? At no point price was able to cross over 39.49. From this perspective, it's pretty clear. So we got a hell of a resistance in front of us. That's why we're not jumping the gun here. We want to let price lead the way and actually cross over that level, and then we'll consider jumping in and initiating a bullish campaign. If we decide to do that, given price action crossing over that level, like I mentioned, we're gonna be targeting 41.01. Let me show you why. Again, switching back to the weekly chart, because when we look at the daily chart, you're looking at this part of the move, right? This last few weeks, and you mostly see this blue system that engulfs price action. But what you don't see when we take a step back and move into the weekly chart, you see a bigger picture where price action is also trading sideways, right? I mean, ever since February, quite some time now, 6 months, it's been trading sideways. And throughout that period of time, all that we can record is 3 legs. So we're probably building up leg number 4 right now, and it looks like we're halfway through. So when you take a look at that perspective, right, things become more clearer. From the medium term, let's say medium to long term perspective, price looks super bullish. That's what I'm trying to say. It looks super bullish. Looks like it's on its way towards the upper section. And now, of course, I'm referring to the black system. So that's 41.01. If you were wondering why I was talking about that level, now you know. But again, like I said, we got some adversity coming at 39.49. So that's why we're going to use that level as a trigger. And hopefully we can catch about 150 pip. Probably not, right? Because if price action is going to break through that 39.49, we're probably going to lose a few pip, right? Let's hope we're not going to lose more than 50 pips. So we're probably going to have about 100 pip to chase, which is good enough for us. But we are having another obstacle a little bit further down the road, or up the road in this case, 40.51. It's another obstacle or a secondary target. You might want to call it that way. Either way, guys, we are ready to pull the trigger. But we're ready to strike, but we need price action to prove that it's able to overcome that obstacle 39.49, which we're going to use as a trigger. That's about that for this one. Pound versus the US dollar, looking super interesting. We're going to be back shortly to follow up on the situation here. In the meantime, guys, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm pretty sure we're going to see you in the next one, where we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency market. See you there.